Hi there, this is Lula LV. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending some of your time with me today. As always, I hope you're having a good one. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of a couple small Louis Vuitton items I received this week. If you subscribe to my channel, you may have seen my unboxing of the Neo Noe MM. I'll link to it above if you haven't seen it yet. But I unboxed this last week. This was a new release from the Louis Vuitton Fall For You collection. That's their women's Fall Winter 2022 collection. And at the same time I ordered this bag, I ordered a couple other small items. So let's see what I got. Let's start with this little item here. This is actually the first item I've purchased directly from another person. I ordered this from Tesla's vlog sale. If you don't follow Tesla, her channel is Teslux, and I will link to it below. Tesla is a very genuine, sweet person. We've connected on YouTube as well as on Instagram, and I felt very comfortable ordering from her. I do not normally order directly from other people, only through consignment stores or services, but this was a really fantastic interaction with her for purchasing this. She mailed it to me just in a plain cardboard box wrapped up in tissue paper, and she stuffed it with tissue as well and put in a really sweet thank you card for me. And the item I got was the mini pochette accessoire in monogram canvas. This is a really beautiful made in France piece. This is from 2016. It's in gorgeous condition for a pre-loved bag. She did stuff it with tissue as well. The inside is clean, and I really love the mini pochette. It's one of my most used small leather goods. I do also have it in the Dame Ebene, which I have right here, so we can look at the two side by side. These are both made in France pieces. And I love the mini pochette as a bag organizer. I found a lot recently. I've been wishing that I had more than one mini pochette because I have just a lot of different things that I need to organize in my bags. So I really love this. And this was the first item I purchased from Tesla's vlog sale. The next item I purchased was directly from Louis Vuitton. I ordered this through my client advisor, and this is an item from the Garden collection. I did a video recently detailing the new releases coming from Louis Vuitton that are being released this July through September. If you haven't had a chance to watch this video yet, I will link to it above, but I did mention the Fall For You collection, which I got this Neo Noe from, and I also mentioned the Garden collection, which I purchased this item as part of. And when you open it up, you'll see it is two little bandeaus that are wrapped up. And I will say I was a little disappointed by the wrapping. It's the tiniest little piece of tissue paper for two bandeaus, but it's fine. And if we open it up, these were sold as a set, and this is the same print that was featured on the coussins. There's a navy coussin with the floral print as well as a white coussin with the floral print, and I really liked it, but I wasn't really looking to spend $5,000 on a bag in this print. So when I saw these two bandeaus, I thought they were just so pretty and wanted to add them so I could have a piece of that collection. And you can see on the navy one, the front and the back are exactly the same. Here is the tag. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. This is made in Italy, 100% silk. And the white one is white on one side and pink on the other. I really love this in pink. I think that is so pretty with the floral print. And I thought these were interesting because they were sold as a set. I've purchased a few of the BB size bandeaus from Louis Vuitton in the past, and the ones I've purchased have always been sold individually. So I thought that this was really interesting that they decided to sell these two as a set. So this was the second item I purchased. And when I ordered these, I was also talking with my client advisor about some of their fragrances. So with the bandeaus, she sent me a few fragrance samples, and you will have to excuse, these boxes are a little beat up because my almost 2-year-old son was playing with them. But she did send me some fragrance samples. Yes, there are 5 of them. We have a Trop Rev. Please excuse me if my pronunciation is incorrect. Courbatant, Spell on You, On the Beach, and d'Absence. So I've tried a few of these already. I've not tried all of them. A Trop Rev and On the Beach are my favorites that I've tried so far. A Trop Rev is a very light floral fragrance, and I do prefer my fragrances not to be too strong. This was my super quick unboxing, just a few small items I received this week. The mini pochette from Tesla on YouTube and Instagram. I will link to her in the description box below. Definitely subscribe to her socials. The bandeau, some fragrances, and as I mentioned earlier, this is the Neo Noe from the Fall For You collection that I unboxed last week. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll link to it again. Thanks so much for sticking with me with this unboxing. As always, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.